Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the sheet so Looker Studio reads it reliably. Use a header row and consistent types, remove merged cells and blank rows. Once your sheet is tidy, make sure it's shared appropriately so Looker Studio can access it. Then, in Looker Studio, click Create Data Source and choose the Google Sheets connector. Select the correct spreadsheet and worksheet. Make sure to pick Use First Row as headers and set the data range, because misaligned headers break field mapping. Now focus on mapping and configuration so your report calculates correctly. You'll verify each field type, change any misdetected fields to date, number, or text. This avoids filtering errors. Next, decide which fields are dimensions and which are metrics, and create calculated fields for percent change or ratios when needed. Once done, configure data freshness. Enable auto-refresh for live analysis or use extract data to improve performance on large sheets. Make sure to save your data source after edits. Finish by building the report and validating results so the dashboard is trustworthy. Add charts and tables, apply filters, and compare numbers back to the raw sheet to confirm accuracy. If you need combined datasets, use blended data and match keys carefully, then test different aggregation levels. If something breaks, recheck permissions, header consistency, and field types first, then refresh the connector or reauthorize Google Sheets access. If latency persists, switch to extract data or reduce the sheet size to improve performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.